Hello everyone, I'm Nishit and Trushita is here with me, and we are the team of SmallPay. This is a quick small web application that helps the small business owners with all of their invoicing needs. So we'll just quickly give you the demo of the application. So we hit the sign up button here. This has been made with Amazon Cognito. So that was one other Amazon AWS service that we were using. So I have my user ID password saved. It gets you in, and this is our beautiful dashboard. So our entire application is a serverless application, and it uses API gateway as Lambda's triggers. And we have a couple of Lambda functions, and all the Lambda functions go to DynamoDB to fetch data and save data. So I'll just quickly show you one flow for creating a new customer. So you click new customer here, you create John Doe, for example, you create the email address and you hit create, and it takes just a second to create it. And there we go. It's right over here. And of course, the delete button deletes the customer. So we can do that. And there you go. So now the invoice flow will be explained by Trushita.
Hi, thanks, Nishit. So now we'll move to create invoice. So here you can see the customer that's already added. We can select one of them and we can bill them against all the items that they have purchased. So like Nishit said, all the interactions of card operations are triggering a Lambda through API gateway. Just to mention that in the API gateway, we also did some core settings. So now we can go and click on save invoice. So once it's successfully saved, we can see that added invoice here. So it's the paid status and paid. So we're going to click on record payment, and then we can see that the payment has been done. This will get updated, and we move to the dashboard where we can see the graph shows that, okay, these are the total payments for the day, and this is what its latest statistics. So now we'll move to AWS console. I'm going to show you a few of them. So I'm going to show add customer and add invoice. This is the API gateway. We have options and posts set up with course and stuff. Now we're going to move to the lambdas for them. So if you see, we have create invoice. If you click on it, this is our Lambda. All our Lambdas are created in Node.js. The main things that we're doing on a high level is we're getting the request from the front end, passes via API gateway, comes here, we process it. If it's successful, stores in DynamoDB if required. If it's not successful, we get a response of an error in our front end. So similarly, we have the same for customer, and you can see we have like the same logic of processing it from the front end, storing in the DynamoDB, if successful, sending back. If we move back to the Lambda functions, you can see we have 12 Lambda functions, and there's some ambitious set of Lambdas we have, which Nishit is going to explain. Over to you, Nishit.
Thank you so much, Trushita. So yeah, as Trushita mentioned, we had a couple of ambitious ideas where we were going to offer all the businesses to like save the PDF to their local PC and download it and send it via email. So the Lambda functions are created. We have tested it. We also have the API triggers for it already created, but we are yet to implement it in the front end. But however, we will still be working on this application in the future and add these functionalities, and we are really excited about it. So that was SmallPay.
So just to add on to that, we also have SQS that we are using where we are trying to send an email, and we are going to trigger the SQS to get the queue, and then it's going to be notifying. So this is something we are trying to add on besides having Lambdas and API gateways. So yeah, that's something I wanted to highlight as well. So thank you. I hope you liked our application. Thanks, Nishad, for explaining the context and everything. So I hope
Thank
you
you,
like.
Darshita.
Yeah.
Thank you, Darshita.